Hey there, my crafty friends! Welcome back. Today we are creating the cutest miniature Halloween greeting card set ever. This printable set includes 6 greeting cards, 6 matching envelopes, and a tiny storage box to keep them all together. It's super easy, super fun, and perfect for adding a little spooky charm to your dollhouse or Halloween decor. Let's get started. First, grab the free printable sheet from the video description and print it on regular printer paper. For this project, you'll need just a few basics: craft glue, scissors, and a thin paintbrush. Alright, let's begin by cutting out all the pieces. Now that I've cut out all the greeting cards, you'll see just how easy these are to make. Simply fold each one in half and ta-da! Instant mini greeting cards. I'll go ahead and fold the rest. For the envelopes, fold all 4 tabs toward the center. Then, using a bit of leftover paper, add a few tiny drops of glue. With your paintbrush, carefully spread glue on the bottom part of the left and right tabs. Press the bottom tab upward and glue it in place. And look at that, your little envelope fits the greeting card perfectly. Next up, the box. Take the box template and fold along all the lines. Add glue to the side tab and also to the small tab next to it on the left. Press the small tab first, then fold and glue the larger tab over it. Repeat this step for all the sides and your lid is ready. Now let's do the bottom part of the box the same way. Fold, glue, press and done. I went ahead and finished the rest of the envelopes off camera. And now comes the best part, the assembly test. Let's stack all the envelopes neatly, place them inside the box, and now add the greeting cards on top. Perfect fit, everything looks so neat and tidy and honestly so adorable. Thank you so much for crafting with me today. If you enjoyed this project, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more mini paper crafts. Let me know in the comments below what kind of Halloween paper craft should we make next. See you next time, bye!